Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to play career mode in eFootball. Alright, so let's begin. If you want to play career mode in eFootball, you'll need to use a PC, PlayStation, or Xbox, as the mobile version of eFootball only offers a limited trial version of the game. The mobile version provides access to modes like PvP, versus AI, league games, eFootball League, friendly matches, quick matches, and trial matches, but does not include the career mode. To enjoy the full features, including career mode, you'll need to purchase the full version of eFootball, which is available for PC and gaming consoles. Note that eFootball on mobile is free, but the full game on other platforms requires a purchase. So, to get started with career mode, download eFootball on your PC or console, and once you've purchased the game, you'll be able to access career mode along with all its features. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.